Hey, how's it going? Cool, thanks for dropping by. Before you go real quick, I could show you what I did over my free time here. So yeah, I added in, this cool, like, volumetric lighting line. It's pretty cool. And the idea is, it'll show you where your ship's gonna go. And then, I fixed the bug with, the ship so it turns correctly. So, like, that looks right, you know? I mean, don't worry about the line. But yeah, so that's pretty cool. So the next thing I want to do is actually, make the line go the right way and make sure the ship actually follows the line. So it should be pretty cool. That's what I'll be trying to do today. Yeah, and I want to put like a little transparent version of the ship at the end of the line as well. Alright, so first thing I want to do is probably get the line to actually show up in the right spot. Currently, yeah, cool. Yeah, I'll probably be streaming for about an hour and 20 minutes or so. So if you drop by, you can see if I got anywhere. But yeah, currently, I'm just setting the control points for a line. So if you're not familiar with how to do lines, curved lines, usually you use Bezier lines. And so I found some code on the internet, like all good programmers do, and I'm using this Bezier curve function. It's actually I copied two different things. One actually shows the line in Unity. That's what this is down here. And that's what the Draw Gizmo stuff does, which was pretty cool. So I wanted to just save that if I want to do some gizmos later. But then I ended up using some other different code to actually draw the to calculate the line. I haven't even looked at what this really does. It doesn't look very readable to me, but hey, it works. So thanks, Mr. Person on the internet. Alright, so yeah, so my curve class is pretty decent, I think. So let's go ahead and what we want to do is I've got it so I can call create new line, pass in the start and end positions, as well as the control points, which determine you know what the curve looks like. And if you want, you could really have like as many control points as you want, but I'm just doing 2, which is the minimum. You might even be able to get away with 1, but I think the function I need, I'm using has 2. Alright, so currently the problem I have is the ship is kind of responsible for determining where it's going to end up. So what we probably want to do is have a function on ship that's like gonna return a point, and it's gonna be something like get final position. And the idea is I'll make some of this code that calculates the end position into a common function. In fact, I might just do this, and then maybe even just copy copy all this stuff here. And then we just return it position. And that should do it for us. Because I don't think I had anything crazy in here. Alright, so now that we've got this getFinalPosition function, should be able to call that here. Basically just selected ship dot getFinalPosition, speed and direction. So we don't need to do that anymore. And then what we want to do, you know what I probably ought to do, I probably ought to have like a getCurrentPosition. I don't know if I want to keep just referencing the transform directly. It's kind of weird, isn't it? So we'll just do this. It should make things easier to change later. You know, if we want to switch things up. And now, I wonder if I should also have it. I should probably have this really return the control points as well, right? But C#, I don't I don't think you can do stuff like this, like some other languages. So we might need to instead have like some out parameters. Whoops. I don't know why sometimes it copies the whole line. But that is going to mess up this here, because we don't really care about. But I guess we can just do this here. We'll just ignore them. Alright, so then, what do we want to do? So they kind of don't, for a straight line, I wonder, let me see if I can find, like, an example online that lets me mess around with the curve. Oh, I guess I can actually just do it in the Unity editor, huh? Although it might have some problems. Alright, well, I think we'll still be able to move our thing around. So, yeah, let's put our control points. Let's see, curve start down here at 0, 20, 0. Let's have curve end at 0, 100. And then if we have our control points at 0, 50 and 0, 50, it's a straight line. So that should be fine. Alright, so basically we need to pick the control points for each place. So in this case, you know, we can probably even, hold on, let me just check in Unity. Does it let me set the control points as the same position as the start? I mean, the line should still work in that case. So I think maybe we'll just do that for simplicity's sake. we'll just do like so. Alright, so there's that. Then for turning, so yeah, we could, I guess I could try just using one control point for now, really, by setting them to the same position. So yeah, let's see, for a curved line, what do we want? So, let's just look from top down, maybe. Alright, so if our curve ends, maybe at, 50-50 over there, and our control points, so you can see if I put both control points up here, then our curved line is this white line, right? But I wonder if I want instead like if control point 2 is at maybe like 25. No, I definitely don't want that. Oh, maybe, let's have control 1 be at like 0, 25. You can make some pretty wacky lines. But we probably want, more of a sharper turn than that, right? I don't know, maybe we should just go with, maybe we should just go with this. Though potentially we could, soften it up a little bit by doing something like this. I think we'll just want to play with it a little and see what looks best for our ship. Yeah, maybe like, having it just be like a fifth inwards instead of the straight, maxing it out. I don't know. It could look good either way. Alright, well let's try, so... we wanna, it's not gonna change the y value, at least for now. So we can just take in position.y. But we do need to specify, the x and the z. And I wonder... I probably need to account for rotation as well, don't I? Yeah, so I kind of want to do like, I'm gonna need to do some math, aren't I? Because I want to be able to just use the x and z positions. I'll need to, probably need to use forward somehow. So yeah, the first point actually is going to be first point is actually going to be forward plus the start position. And for now, we'll just make C2 the same thing. I think that's what we want. And then we also need to set it for banks. And it's complaining because we're not setting, but we don't have any other things yet, so we'll just do set it to 0. Alright, so now we're getting the control points. And yeah, let's see what it looks like. So, kind of expected that it looks a little too... especially for this one, maybe it's not going to look too bad with the ship moving. The banks don't look great though. We'll want to adjust the, definitely going to want to adjust, oh wow, the turn goes so much further than the 5 straight. We'll have to, I really want the turn to only go about this far. So let's actually adjust that maybe. Because that's, pretty far. And you know what? I kind of want my camera. For now, I'm just going to make the camera point top down. That way, yeah, let me start it over top of my ships too. Alright, because this will be a little easier to, maybe I do want it angled a little bit. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Yeah, that's way too far. I feel like the 1 straight, 2 straight. I feel like that's what I want. But yeah, I need it. I want it to basically go big, half as far, maybe. So let's go change that. Maybe even, just cut this out for now. Oh, you couldn't see what I did, but I was basically multiplying by 2 the distance I wanted. Maybe a little further than that is the thing. We'll try times 1.25 maybe, and see how that feels. And then for the banks, I think forward distance is good. Well, we'll have to double check. Alright, that might be pretty decent. Oh, 2 though. Still way too far. So what we can do is, instead of times speed, let's do times speed times like 0.75 or something. And then, I mean, that is going to reduce the single turn, though. I wonder what the math is for the X-Wing turns. Alright, well now it doesn't feel like ridiculously long. But the one turn might be a little too close, I don't know. I'll play around with it later. Alright, and the bank's gonna look better if I move the control points. But what you'll notice is that our ship is not currently following that line very well. It ends up at the right final spot, but it kind of cheats, right? We'll also want to delete the line after we start moving, but I can fix that later. I actually kind of want it there while we're experimenting. Right, for the banks, I think for forward I want to be maybe like forward divided by 2 or something. I'm curious if that'll just get us something that looks decent. So we probably need to pull the second control point a little bit higher up to give us a better feel for our line. I mean, that's probably not terrible. Let's actually leave it for now. And we want to get the ship to actually follow the line. Alright, and the reason it's not following the line is because in our update function, we're actually just doing linear interpolation between between the positions. So what we need to do, whoops. Alright, so we do want to interpolate, but we want to interpolate along our Bezier curve. So we've got our Bezier curve object. The function we need to call is this guy. Calculate cubic Bezier point with, oh, that's the points. That's the points along the line, which is not quite what we want. So this will give us all the different points on the line. Alright, yeah, this is, we'll still have to interpolate between points on the line is the thing. But that's fine, we can do that. Is this public? It doesn't use any members, so let's actually make it public static. We should be able to do that, right? Then we can just call it from wherever. Alright, so this gets us a point out of our number of our vertices. Oh. Yeah, what is T here? T is definitely going to be a percentage. Okay, maybe we don't have to do anything funny. Because T should be time. Man, I wish they wish they actually explained their code, but it's fine. Alright, so instead, we'll just use our lerp value. And yeah. Then we just need to use the points on the line. But did I save those somewhere? Okay, so we do actually want to save these. So we probably should rename our stuff. So like let's call this like movement start position. Movement end position. Then we can have movement control point 1 and control point 2. Oh, I need to put out here. Alright. So now we got that done. And up here, we just pass in all of our random movement stuff. I don't know why I said random. It's not, not very random. Yeah, that should be it. And we'll just replace our existing lerp with that. And voila! That should do it. Alright, so sure enough, it follows the point. Though it did look a little weird. Let's make sure it oh, this other ship's doing something weird. It's because I didn't set its move. Let's try a bank. Oh. Interesting. So because the control points were at the start, that's why it's doing that. Okay, okay. So it kind of slows down at the control points, which not intended at all, but that's actually kind of a cool effect, isn't it? I think I like it. Man, I really should get my camera Y value fixed. Let me see if I can actually fix that. Because I was trying it before, as you can see here, and it's not good. Because this doesn't work. Multiplying these two together like this is bad. Though I would think they're both in world coordinates. It shouldn't matter, but let me just try for real quick, just doing one of them. So with this change, I should be able to rotate the camera around the Y by moving up and down. And that indeed does seem to work. It does do what we want. Oh, but W and S do some pretty wacky things once I move the camera. I might have to play around with this camera controller some more later. I don't think it's worth messing with now. Alright, so just to review what I've got. Oh yeah, straights. Straights are not good. But I think banks and stuff are fine. Hold on, let me try that again. I mean, that's kind of a cool effect that it slows down. Alright, so we'll stick with that. But we do need to fix straights up. I wonder if there's a good way to fix that. I mean, I could for straights not do a Bezier interpolation. I could just do, regular linear interpolation. There's probably some way to have a straight curve, though. Let me just look up real quick if there's a... I mean, I could also try stuff like putting it like a third of the way through or something. Yeah, if I put them like a third of the way between the endpoints. Alright, so I think that it's the simplest for now. So for the straight line, we'll do position plus 4 divided by 3, and then for this one, times 2/3. I like putting in parentheses just to make it super obvious what I'm doing. Oh, you can see. Yeah, so basically just the start position plus 1/3 and 2/3. And I suspect that will make the straight work well. So we'll do like a 2 straight and a 1 bank. Oh, it did kind of speed up near the end a bit. I would have thought... Yeah, he's still going really slow at the start. I wonder why that is. What if we do 2/3 for both? Or I wonder if I should just do halfway. Let's try halfway first. Oh, I keep forgetting to switch to code view. Oh well. I'll try to do better. Alright, so we'll do a 1 and a 2 string with... Yeah, why is it so... Why is it like that? I mean, what if I just make it in position? So I just changed C1 to in position. So now he slows down near the end, which is not what I want either. I don't really understand why the thirds thing didn't work for me. Let's just try both of them 2/3 of the way. See what that looks like. What I should probably just do is do regular linear interpolation. Yeah, that's so weird. I don't really understand. Unless, the control points aren't in the right spot. And it's actually, no, but the end position's right. Yeah, that is pretty strange. Alright, hold on, I'm trying to get in Unity. Yeah, it's just so slow to start. But the banks aren't like that. So I'm not sure why. Why that is. Alright, I think what I'll do for now... And hold on. And so I said if I did in position... Then it also... Then it slows down at the end, right? Instead of being slow to start. Alright, I think what we'll do is, just set them to, set them to vector 3.0 for now. And then what we'll do is in, I mean, I did, hold on. Yeah, I am doing that there. Then we'll just say if movement control point 1 equals vector 3.0, And then we'll just do the old linear interpolation that we were doing before. Alright, so now we should be good. Oh, that doesn't look right at all. Oh, it's because I put it at vector. Yeah, I gotcha. But at least it's nice and smooth. Yeah, the light's not right, but we can fix that. And the reason for that is I should probably actually not set it to 0, but instead set it to either start or end. Probably just start. Oh, hold on. Start position is gonna be this. Alright, so then if I don't know if this will actually work well because floating point comparisons, but it should be fine because they should be exactly the same number. Alright, so it looks good. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. And curves look good too, right? Alright, so I think we can chalk that off our list. So we've got those prediction paths down. Let's see, do I even need the ship to be at the final position? I might not even need that, right? Because the line feels pretty good. Right, the line gives you a pretty good idea where you're going to be. So yeah, let's not worry about that for now. Yeah, we'll worry about the details of the ship movements later. For now, we're gonna cut this, and I don't think this comment makes any sense anymore. We'll worry about that later. Alright, well, with the ships following the path, what do I need to work on next? I mean, I could spruce up the UI some and ensure that you can't, do a bunch of weird stuff. But that's probably not super interesting. I could start thinking about attacks. We're definitely not going to finish that for this turn, this stream, but could try doing something around that. Which might be interesting. That might be interesting. Let me mess around with my camera some more. Because I kind of do want you to be able to see it ahead of you. Let me change the position. Yeah, this is probably good for now. Alright, so, what I would like to do, I could do barrel rolls as well, which would probably be pretty cool, but also a little tricky. Oh, that might be pretty cool to do, though. Oh, I need to delete the line. Let's do that before we forget. I need to delete the line once you hit go. Submit plan, here we go. Alright, that'll clean that up. Alright, so I do kind of want to implement barrel roll. Do a barrel roll. Alright, so let's think about what we need in order to actually do that. So we need some way to specify our action. It should be on this menu. Probably just to the side of this. I mean, this is probably pretty big for now. I could probably make this a lot smaller. And then you'll be like maneuver on top and then actions to the side. And that'll affect your final position. We gotta do a barrel roll, right? Alright, so let's go check out the 2D UI. Here's our canvas. And currently, I kind of want that gizmo thing to go away. I guess I could just comment out draw gizmos. Yeah, let me just comment that out. Cause we don't need the gizmos. Alright, so that's gone. Alright, so I've kind of made some prefabs for my my UI. I made these ship panel things. Oh wait, no, we don't need that. I made the maneuver buttons. That's what I made. Wow, it's actually kind of hard to tell what it is because the text is not set. Right? Oh no, it is set to 1TL. Why is it not colored in? It doesn't have a material. Doesn't it, Oh, it's because it's not parented. It's not parented to the canvas. There we go. Or a child of the canvas, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so yeah, there's how I got my buttons. Oh, I didn't know there's some little things there. That's kind of cool. It kind of snaps to the grid, which is nice. Alright, but what we want is we probably want some labels first. Let's see. I mean, I guess just a text, really. But I kind of want the cool background that a button has. It's really just an image, isn't it? But it's like a rounded rectangle. Let's see, what if I add a panel? Oh, that's really big. So I could add a panel. I could put the text inside of it. Let's see. And we can check what that looks like. Let me delete my button. Yeah, so it's got that panel there. I might want to resize it a bit better. Oh, the text. We could probably want that centered. Yeah, UI's always kind of tricky, right? Like, to make it look really good, it does pretty hard. But it's kind of worth it, right? Alright, so we kind of want a label for maneuver. Let's see. I don't want it to be completely transparent. Maybe we'll go with just gray for now. Actually, maybe I don't want it to be transparent at all. Oh, but what I kind of want... I kind of want this to like automatically resize based on the text in it. I could probably, I'd probably have to write a script for that. I don't know if there's a fancy way to do that. It's probably worth, at some point just investigating, better ways to do this in Unity, but, for now I can kind of cheat, actually. Because I'm just gonna like put it right there. And then, I need to move it up a little bit. Oh, and my panel parent can use a certain layout component. Yeah, I don't really know anything about layout. Let's see, there's a layout element. Grid layout. You know, I should probably use this for placing all the buttons, but currently I'm just doing that programmatically. I thought I added a... Yeah, I added a layout component, but I don't really understand what it does. Oh, it's got a preferred width and height. Yeah, let's not worry about this for now. Alright, I'm gonna make a copy. This one's gonna be action. And I'll just change the text. be kind of annoying, isn't it? Because it'll be right in the middle of the screen. It's also way too big. But anyways, I don't need that to test with. Let me just delete that. Alright, instead, we are gonna make a new panel for. Actually, I guess we could just reuse this maneuver panel thing. Oh, let me see. Oh no, we're gonna want a new button type, probably. To reuse this, what I think I'm gonna do is unpack the prefab, which doesn't affect the prefab itself. And then we're gonna do, let's make sure the text is big enough. So we're gonna basically have like barrel roll left and barrel roll right. So we probably need to make it a little bit bigger. I'm gonna add in pictures and stuff later, so I'm not super worried about this. Alright, and then we're gonna call it action button prefab. We're going to change the script. Instead of maneuver script, maneuver button handle. Let's make a copy of this. Call it action button handler. And we're actually going to keep the unselected stuff. Though there's probably way better ways to do that. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing, but that's fine. Basically, I copied the one file. Alright, and we're going to remove this script. And we're going to add, not a new one, action button handler. Alright, so that should be all we need to throw out some action buttons. Oh, let's make a prefab. And then I want to yeah, my canvas knows to know how to make these things. So in back in VS Code, so we'll add this guy, and over in Unity, that'll pop up a new thing there, and we can drag our prefab over to there, and now we should be good to go. Alright, so what I want to do. Hey Kate, how's it going? Nice to have you back. I can show you real quick what I did. Alright, so I fixed up like going straight and banking and turning and stuff. So, yeah, I think it looks pretty decent. I can always tweak the flight paths later at some point. But for now, it's functional, I think. And so currently I'm going to try to add a barrel roll. And so I want to have you be able to select actions. So let's add a function to our canvas. Add an action button. And we're going to need another enum. Let's call it a ship action. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. Then we're going to barrel left and right. Alright, and now that we've got that, that will be a parameter. To our function. The mouse is just tracking mouse position, and the keyboard is it's with the last letter I typed. It's a pretty neat little plugin I found. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's called like Spud Mouse and SpudKeyboard. Some guy made it for VTubers. Alright, do I need to pass anything else? Yeah, let's pass in the text as well. And I guess the same as, we basically want the selected thing as well. Alright, and let's just copy it for now. But this time we're doing an action button. We can go ahead and add it to our created buttons, though. I think... yeah, we probably want to... let's call this clear selected maneuver. And we'll call this maneuver buttons. And let's have a separate list for action buttons. Alright, so we'll do this. Add it as a parent. We can grab the script, but I don't really have anything to do with the script yet. Set the text. Alright, so then I've got this function for the column. What I might want to do is, because currently I'm calling this from game controller, when I add all the maneuver buttons. I really should have a better way to lay out everything, but that's going to take a lot of reading up. So for now we're just going to do it cheap and easy. Cheap and easy. So currently I have this. We're just gonna say 5 here. Let's hold on. That'll at least let us put it down. And here we're gonna put 0, I think. Or maybe one. Yeah, so that'll get us a button on screen at least. Destroy buttons. Let's go ahead and destroy our action buttons too. And remove them all. There's probably a better way to remove them all too, honestly. But we'll just do that for now. Like, is there a reset or something, or... Oh, clear! It's clear. That's what we want. And we'll basically just copy this function for our actions. Alright, so we should be able to add action buttons now. And we're going to do that here. So, barrel left. And right. Okay. What else do we need to do? So that I think will get some buttons on screen. Hey Link. Hold on, what was your question? Why does it put an angle bracket between lines? Oh, this, are you talking about this thing? The curly brace. That's how you signify the beginning and end of various things. So basically these two go with this if statement. So anything between these goes with that if statement. I did manage to fix it actually. Let's see where we're at right now. Oh, where's my action button? I don't see it. Oh, did I not position it in a good spot? Yeah, I probably need to position it better. Alright, but basically, now you can do like a turn here, right? And it actually shows where you're gonna go. So I think it looks pretty good. I was thinking about messing around with the flight paths and stuff, but I can always do that later. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, let's figure out why our button's not showing up. So the column should be good. Let's see. I feel like that should be fine. But if I look at the action buttons, like the position is really far. You can't see it because of chat, but it's pretty far off from where it should be. Oh, I wonder. Hold on. Oh yeah, the two buttons are at the same spot too. Did I do anything fun today? Not really. That's what we're doing now. That's what we're doing now. Alright, actually, I do need to pass in some kind of number that's going to change the Y positioning just to differentiate. Oh, whoops, did I put it? I put it after the text. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna go for another 20 minutes or so. Maybe a little bit longer. We'll see. Oh no. The internet's dying. That's always a problem. So I thought, using 5 would be pretty good here. I don't know why it's not showing up where I want it to. Maybe if I make this a float, math will be better. Yeah, 12-hour bus ride, that's not so. I've never been on a bus ride that long. Where is my button? Alright, the Y position at least looks correct. Ish. It's still a bit more than I thought it would be. Oh. It's because I'm doing plus equals and I've probably carried over some nonsense. Because yeah, that's the problem. Hey, there they are. Yeah, so the problem was my prefab had some numbers in it. Are you on a vacation or something? Cause that's the night bus is pretty cheap, right? It's a lot cheaper than flying. Alright, so we've got our buttons somewhere reasonable. Now we need to implement what they do. And so for that, the ship, I want to have a, like a selected action kind of thing going on. Let's see. Oh, did I even use this class? No, I think I always split up. Oh, I added them there. Alright, for now, let's just put in a new ship action, planned action. Well, hopefully you have a good time. Sounds like a nice break. Man, I want to go on vacation. My vacation's not planned for another couple months, though. Alright, and I think I want to have a set action function or something. We should probably also update our ship display panel, but I'm not going to worry about that for now. Okay, so the maneuver button, when you click it, it tells game controller play and move. And what we want to do is have a play in action as well. I mean, forced to go on vacation. Have you not been taking your vacation that you need? You gotta take it or people get mad, right? Let's see, pass it in action, and the action button handler as well. Oh, it's a beach trip. For almost a month. Oh, if you don't like the beach, going to the beach is probably not very fun. Hopefully your hotel has good Wi-Fi. Alright, so I should be able to select the action now. And nope, not working. Oh, I didn't call the function I needed. Oh, I need to whoops. There we go, but I need to set that, don't I? what am I doing on vacation? I'm going to the beach. And I don't mind the beach. And mainly I'm hanging out with family. But I like the ocean. I mean, I don't spend all day at the beach, you know. I'll go back to the hotel and relax. I don't want to get burnt. Go to the beach, go to the pool, go out to eat. It's always pretty nice. Alright, when we create this button, we need to set this. Okay, now I should be able to click it. And there we go. So now we can do that. It's not going to do anything yet, of course. One last thing we want to do is not that much sunscreen. Just enough, right? Just enough that you don't die. Let's see. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I wanted, when you click a ship, there we go. So now to remember, yeah, come on, you have to put it on every hour. Otherwise you turn into an apple. 'Cause you're red. Wait, why is it already selected? Oh, we probably need to have a, none as an option. Yeah. No, I seriously, guys, I seriously get burnt if I don't put sunscreen on every hour. I mean, at the beach when you're getting in the water and stuff, right? Because the water kind of washes it off. Alright, I wanted, the ship. Yeah. No tans for me. Yeah, my older brother, when we were kids, he got sunburned so bad somewhere that he had these huge blisters, like, rising up off his shoulders. It was quite disgusting. Luckily he learned a lesson for me. What am I doing? I want to, after you do a move, I want to clear out your planned move. Oh wow, 2 hours. 2 hours with no sunscreen, that's gonna be bad. Oh gosh. Sounds really bad. Yeah. So that's what I want to avoid. Bob the tomato. I'm looking for where I clear out the planned moves, but I don't actually... Yeah, let's put it here. Okay, so now... You know, I've never really liked wearing, you know, a shirt over my swimsuit. I've never really enjoyed that, because it always sticks to you. Kind of annoying. Alright, are your eyes working good enough for now? I mean, the sun does go into the water, you know. You're not invincible underwater. Alright, so now we can click the button, but it doesn't actually do anything. So, what I want to do... Not if you go deep enough. You gotta go pretty deep to not have the sun help you out there. Oh man, I have so much code to write. Because really I should probably, let's see, when I set my plan... Where am I calling this from? Yeah, because I kind of need this to take into account the action as well. So let's actually call a new function called change plan, or like one plan change. And we're gonna do... We're gonna move all this in here. And we need to use the selected ship plan speed and direction. You got lost at the beach. How did you get lost? It's... usually you can orient yourself because there's water, you know. Okay. I mean, 10-year-old you makes sense. Sleeping on top of a large rock. It's pretty funny. I realize I need a another button for none. Let me add that in. Wow, looking for 5 hours. You couldn't find him, that's crazy. Oh no, Kate. Yeah, running away from your parents is not a great idea. But kids do tend to want to explore. Alright, so we got the none button. Let me just check that I didn't break anything. Oh, yeah, I need to, let's see. One plan change. Let's only do this line thing if they've set their, maneuver. Rocks are comfortable. I don't think so. I don't think rocks are very comfortable. Alright, so I want to take into account the barrel roll for the final position. So let's actually pass in the action as well. Oh, you know, I don't even have to pass... Yeah, selected ship. Alright, so, what we're gonna do... Oh, this is tricky, isn't it? I think you need a new bed, if that's the case. Alright, so the way I want barrel rolls to work is I want to have it change the final position. So like, oops, you're not seeing what I'm doing. Oh no, now I've broke it. No, it's all good. I know why I broke it. I added in this action thing. Yeah, so we'll put that in there. Now I can actually check something. You should get a, like a futon, like Japanese style, where you just put a blanket out on the floor. So debugging, you know, fixing build breaks and stuff is, it's a skill that you learn. And I've done quite a lot of debugging in my real job, so I'm pretty confident I can usually figure out what's wrong. So I don't worry about it too much. But, for people who don't know how to debug, it could be challenging. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to explain what I wanted. So what I want is, like, if you barrel roll right, instead of being instead of being like right here for your final position, I want you to be like right here instead. Or if you barrel left, you'll be over on this side. A futon, it's I mean, it's just kind of a blanket, isn't it? What do I work on the most in my job? For a while it's been just fixing bugs and stuff. I don't want to... I do kind of a... I don't want to give away too much about where I work. And what I work on would kind of give it away, but mostly I fix a lot of bugs. But I mean, I work on like system software stuff. So recently, actually, I've been working on a new project to develop some automation for testing. It's been pretty interesting. Test automation is always helpful. But I mean, I program stuff. I debug in either C++ or assembly. Alright, what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, so I need to know for the final position, I need to know which direction I'm facing, actually. Which is actually going to be here with the final rotation. Yeah, I don't really know how to describe it without saying exactly what I do. But it's not really IT. I'm a software engineer. But yeah, I work on system software. We'll leave it at that. Alright, let's have a get final rotation function. Just know that I'm a big brain that solves problems. Alright, we basically want to copy this. Alright, so oh, I don't know if yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, I mean, it'd be cool if I could kind of talk about some stuff. I'll think about it. I might have said some stuff in an earlier stream that would let you figure out more, but I don't remember what I said. It would have been a long time ago. Oh, we probably don't need speed. Alright, so that'll let us get the final rotation. Oh, you always gotta go fast. Oh, tilt-a-mount as well. Hold on, I don't want to set tilt amount in this function. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we go. Now I've spun it out a bit. And the reason I did that is because I need to know this in here to account for actions. And actually, I wonder if I need, like, can I say transform? I don't, that's not what I want. That's what I want. And then, I'm hoping that makes a copy of it. That should make a copy of it. Because then we need forward and right. Autobots, Transformers. No. This is, ships and magical girls fighting. I mean, I guess there could be some Transformers. Alright, so if action equals barrel left, let's see, we need a barrel amount. For now, let's just do ship size. Let's actually do plus equals, and the minus here, it doesn't really matter, but alright, so that, oh hey Kai, Subaka. I feel like you've shown up on my stream before, but it was a really long time ago. I've been pretty good. Just, man, tomorrow it's my 1 year anniversary of streaming. Can you believe it? It's been so long. But it went by so fast. How did that happen? Yeah, 1 year tomorrow. Thanks. Yeah, so I'm planning to do a stream tomorrow, but I'm not exactly sure when I'll be rock climbing. But, hopefully the 8 PM time works well. I am working on a new game. I'll show you what I got so far. Alright, so, what I was just adding in is I wanted to try to do barrel rolls. Oh, none. The none button's not fixing it. But, oh my. Oh no. I'm rotating the ship around too. So there's quite a few bugs here. Quite a few bugs going on. Man, that's like so many bugs. I think the problem is this. Can I make a copy of this somehow? Oh, I can probably say, wait, what? I can't just say new transform? Yeah, I've been messing around with Unity recently. I kind of wanted to make like a 3D game, and I finally decided what to work on. Hold on, let me just try Googling something real quick. How to copy a transform. Oh, a transform's a component. Okay, I know what to do now. Oh, you teach Unity 2D, nice. That's pretty cool. I always like projects that get kids involved in programming early on. When I was in college, I did a project where I worked with a local elementary school, and I would teach some kids how to make little websites. It was pretty cool. Alright, so what I want to do now, actually, is, I'm just going to save off the current rotation, and then, set the rotation to the final, do the math here, and then put it back. Oh, reversary, nice. I'll have to use that one. Yeah, I'll definitely have to use that. Alright, so... let's see... Okay, well I think it's not totally broken now. Oh, I did want to check, why couldn't I pick the none button? That's what I wanted to know. Where do I create the buttons again? Add action button. Here, this is why. There we go. Good old copy and paste. For the 1 year celebration, I I don't have anything fancy planned. I'm thinking it'll mostly just be a chat stream, and I'll bring up the my YouTube archive and just kind of scroll through all my videos and talk about what we did, which ones I liked, that kind of thing. I don't know if I if I really want to play any old videos. It's too painful. Alright, so now we can have the barrel roll affect our positioning. Do I still play Strive? No, I haven't played Strive in a long time. I kind of want to go back and play it, but at the same time, I'm gonna be terrible now. So I've kind of been avoiding it. I don't know what you're talking about, Kate. There was definitely nothing happened on the birthday stream. Definitely nothing happened. Okay. Alright, let's see. So now I actually need to make the barrel visibly do something. Oh, so now I need to make the barrel actually do something. And what I was thinking for this, let's just say I was showing off my model, alright, and I might have shown, you know, all the different parts of my model, if you get my drift. It was fun. Parts you rarely ever see. Alright, so I want to make, when we're actually moving our ship in Update, the rotation, what we want to do is, the tilt, we're going to tilt it a little bit further than normal. So basically, if hold on, that's not what I want, is it? So I'm thinking I kind of want to add together, like I kind of want to add together the tilt amount plus the barrel roll amount. But the tilt amount is actually gonna be lerped, right? Yeah, so alright, so that's how much we should be tilting at this point in time. Let me think about this. Like, I don't think I need a double lerp here. Like, I think this should work. Let me just make sure that this still doesn't look weird. Before I go adding the barrel roll code in, I want to make sure ship turning still looks right. Okay, so that still looks right. Just ignore the other ship. Alright, so then we want to do, a barrel roll is going to be, so we kind of want to do like, oh, you can't see what I'm typing. We kind of want to do, I think we want to do like 2 full rotations, maybe just 1 full rotation. I can type pretty fast, right? It's decent. Let me think about this. So I kind of want it to be like, so I kind of want it to be from like 2/3 time to 1/3 to 2/3 time, and then I want to start at 0 and go to yeah, so like math.lerp 0 to 360. To do monkey type. I don't know what monkey type is. Yeah, two rotations could work, but let's get 1 to work first. So if let's see. So I want if elapsed time is between these 2 numbers. Alright, so if we're between 3rd time and that, then what we want to do is go from current divided by 3rd time, I think. Alright, I think that'll do what I want. that'll do what I want. Alright, let's give it a shot. It's always fun to test it when you don't know if it'll work. Oh, hold on. Did I, yeah, I didn't... Hold on. I didn't, account for which direction I want to go. So let's say if, so it's if we're doing a barrel roll, alright, so if we're doing a barrel roll, let's have our, alright, so we're gonna try this. There we go, and we'll see what happens now. I didn't think too hard about which direction was which, so it might roll the wrong direction. But we'll see. Alright, so let's barrel right. Nothing nothing happened at all. That was not what I expected. Alright, so what we can do is print out some debug spew probably. We'll just log everything. So we'll just do this. And then I want to print out the rotation degrees. And we'll see what that does. Wait, where's my debug spew? Oh, I know it's wrong. So the problem is, we set our planned action to none, which is, yeah, that's not exactly what we want. What I'm actually gonna do is, yeah, yeah, let's set this. Oh, you can't see what I'm typing. Here I am typing furiously. You have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, so now we've got this performing action, and we'll reference this here. Alright, now we expect something to happen. Whether it's good or bad, we'll find out. Oh, he did do a barrel roll. Did you see? Let's try it again. Okay, nice. Let's actually make it go the right direction. So we'll flip it around. Yeah, at least you can hear me furiously typing. Alright, so I switched the direction of the rotation. So now if we go left, you should barrel left. And if we go right, let's try a bank. Oh, that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. You think one looks fine? I wonder if I should make it a little slower, maybe. Because like the ship's moving kind of slow too, but that's on purpose. Oh, I guess if you're going faster, that's probably fine. That's probably fine. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, maybe a little slower, yeah. Let's see. What I could do to make it slower is instead of 1/3, I could do like a quarter. So then he would barrel roll over a longer difference. Well, I just want to check this one out. So we'll do one fast and one slow. Is that any different? No, I think I messed it up. So I was trying to make it 1/4 and 3/4. Oh, but that's actually, yeah, that would be 0.5 versus 30%. It's really close actually, because it would be the difference between 0.25 and 0.75 versus 0.33 and 0.66. So it's not, right, it's not too much of a difference, right? So I could probably make it a little bit bigger if I wanted to experiment, but I mean, like, I could try like 1/8 and 7/8 just to see, you know, just to see what it looks like. This should be a little more noticeable. Wait. Wait. Oh, this is why. Yeah, this part right here. That'll fix it up. Yeah, 1/4 might have worked actually, but see what it looks like. Yeah, so 1/8 is way too slow. Let me just change it back to 1/4. Alright, I changed it back. So that's kind of a slow. If I'm going faster, it should look faster. It's probably fine either way. Yeah, we'll go back to 1/3. Just because, I mean, I named it 3rd time, so clearly it's meant to be 3rd. Yeah, I think that looks good. That looks good. The bank maybe looks a little weird. Should be fine. Alright, well it took a little longer than I expected, but we did a barrel roll. Yay! Now, functionally it doesn't do anything mechanically yet, but when you're getting shot at, barrel rolling will make it harder to hit you. So that's pretty cool. We'll do that later though. Alright, well, I'm hungry, so time to go find some food. I will see you guys later. Let's barrel roll on out of here. Bye-bye.